calculate the tension in a horizontal string that whirls a 2 kilogram toy in a circle at a radius of 2.5 meter when it moves at 3 meter per second on an ice surface. So this is the toy, let's say, with a mass of 2 kilogram, and it moves with a tangential speed, which is 3 meter per second. Okay, and the radius is 2.5 meter. So radius is 2.5 meter. So we already know from the second law, Newton's second law, the force is equal to the m times a, mass times acceleration, or acceleration is equal is in a direct proportion with the force and with the inverse proportion with the mass. But force is m times a because we are looking here for a centrifugal force, for the force. And we already know a, the acceleration, is equal with the velocity divided or velocity or speed divided by time. But now here I don't have time given. I have given here r. And what I can do here, we can write this v, we already know, is equal with the distance, with, let's say in this case, r divided by t. But now I want to substitute this t here and to find in what relation is a with the v and r here. If I am multiplying everything by t, v times t, r times t going to simplify, but if I'm taking a shortcut, this is going to imply here the time is going to be equal with the r divided by v. And in this equation here now, I am going to substitute instead of the t, r divided by v. So let me write here v, r divided by v. So which is going to be equal with a v division r times v. But if I wanted this division now to convert into multiplication, I will write v is equal, a, because I'm looking with the a here, is equal with the v time v over r, because the second term I'm going to flip or to take its reciprocal by r, and what's going to happen is going to be v squared over r. V squared over r. And finally, instead of the a here, of this a, I'm going to substitute this substitution here. And what do we have? We have now F is equal, so this is the centrifugal force, which is m times v squared over r. V squared over r. And now I have all given. I have given here m is 2 kilogram. Let me write 2. And what do I have else? I have 2 kilogram times v square is 3 square. So 3 square. And is over 2.5. 2.5. And now we can calculate everything here in calculator. And as we see here, units are going to be kilogram, meter over second square, everything, and is going to be Newton. So I don't have even to calculate this. This is going to be very easy. It's going to produce the Newton as a unit. And now if we are writing those numbers here, we have 3 square is a 9 times 2 times this 2 here is equal with 18, and I divide by 2.5. 2.5. And everything is 7.2. So the force is 7.2 Newton. So what does it mean? The tension that is going to be in a horizontal string is going to be 7.2 Newton. So this force is here, the centrifugal force, in other words, is a 7.2 Newton.